welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see 1 mark questions. In CBSE examination 2021, in all 16 questions will be asked and that will be for 1 marks. It means the total marks will be 16 and therefore it is very important to revise the 1 mark questions. And I request you to download the PDF from the description box, which has the links of all the case study based questions. And now in today's episode we will see the first question of 1 mark. So here is the first question on the screen. So the question is on the screen: the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 3x square minus kx plus 6 is 0, then find the value of k. Friends, here it is given that the quadratic polynomial is 3x square minus kx plus 6, and it is also given that the sum of the zeros is 3. Sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta, that is equal to 3. This is given, but the sum of the roots is what? It is minus b upon a. Here a is what? It is a coefficient of x square, b is what? It is a coefficient of x, so coefficient of x is minus k, and c is the constant term, so this is 6 here. And so it will be sum of the roots, that is minus b upon a, so minus b and this minus k, that will be plus k upon minus b upon a, that is 3, which is equal to 3, and therefore k is equal to 9, and therefore the k is the value of k is 9, such that the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 3x square minus kx plus 6 is 0 if k is 9. Now let us move to the next question. In the figure, AB and CD are common tangents to two circles of unequal radii. Prove that AB is equal to CD. Friends, here are the two circles whose radii are different, and PA and PC are the tangents to this bigger circle, and PB and PD are the tangents to this smaller circle, and these both are the common tangents to both the circles, and we have to show that AB means this distance AB and distance CD are equal. Very simple. We know that P is the point exterior to that of this triangle, and the tangents drawn from the exterior point to the circle are equal, and therefore PA, that is equal to PC. So PA, that is equal to PC, the reason tangents drawn from the exterior point to the circle are equal. Similarly, here P is the exterior point of this circle, and so PB and PD are the tangents drawn from the exterior point, and therefore that will also be equal, and so PB, that is equal to PD. The reason will be the same, that is tangents drawn from the exterior point to the circle are equal. And now if you subtract these two, correct, and therefore subtracting these two, you will get it as PA minus PB, PA minus PB, that is equal to PC minus PD, PC minus PD. So PA minus PB, this is PA, and minus PB, if you subtract this minus PB or remove this PB, what you will get? That will be equal to AB. So PA minus PB, that is equal to AB. Now here PC minus PD, PC is this total length, minus PD will be this length, so what will be left? DC will left, and so which is equal to CD, and hence it is proved that AB is equal to CD. For what value of k, the pair of linear equations 3x plus y is equal to 3 and 6x plus ky is equal to 8 does not have a solution? Friends, the condition for no solution is a1 upon a2, a1 upon a2, is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. So here is the condition for no solution is a1 upon a2, this ratio is equal to b1 upon b2 ratio is not equal to c1 upon c2 ratio. Now here the given linear equations are 3x plus y which is equal to 3, and another equation is 6x plus ky which is equal to 8. So here a1 upon a2, that is 3 upon 6, which is equal to b1 upon b2, that is b1 is a coefficient of y, so it is 1, so it will be 1 upon k, which is not equal to c1 upon c2, that is constant terms, so it is 3 upon 8. Now we will equate this two, so it is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and so it is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by k, and therefore k is equal to 2. So the value of k is 2. So for value of k is equal to 2, the given pair of linear equations does not have a solution. Now move to the next question. Now here is the another question on the screen. If x is equal to sine square a and y is equal to, this is 2 sine square a and y is equal to 2 cos square a plus 1, then find the value of x plus y. So here you will get x plus y, that is equal to, this is 2 sine square a plus 2 cos square a plus 1. Now here from these first two terms we can take out 2 as a common factor. So 2 inside the bracket sine square a plus cos square a plus 1, and so here sine square a plus cos square a, that is 1, so 2 into 1 will be 2, so 2 plus 1, and that is equal to 3, and therefore x plus y is equal to 3. Which term of an AP 27, 24, 21 is 0? Here the given AP is 27, 24, 21 and dash dash, and we have to find that which term of this AP will be 0. Let the nth term of the AP will be 0. Let the nth term of the AP is 0, and so here a is equal to 27, a is equal to 27, and d is what? Second term minus first term, that is 24 minus 27, so d is equal to minus 3. So you know a is 27, d is minus 3, and therefore, and it is given that we are taking that nth is the term whose value is 0, and therefore it is also known that an is equal to 0, and we have to find n. So when an is equal to 0, it is a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 0. Now put the values. A is what? It is 27 plus n minus 1 into d. D is what? It is multiplied by minus 3, because d is minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now multiply by minus 3 inside the bracket, so that will be 27 plus, so this will be minus and plus will be minus, so here it will be minus 3n, and this minus and minus will be plus 3, which is equal to 0. So 27 plus 3, that will be 30, and therefore 3n is equal to 30. So 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are 30, and therefore n is equal to 10. So we have got n is equal to 10, highlight this, and therefore the 10th term will be the 0. So here 10th term will be the 0, 27, 24, 21, then minus 3, minus 3. If you go on doing like that, you will get the 10th term, that will be 0. Now let us move to the next question. Now see the another question. Evaluate sine square 30 tan 60 minus 3 cos square 30 sec 60. So it will be what? 2 into sine 30. Sine 30 is what? It is 1 by 2 bracket square. Into tan 60. Tan 60 is what? It is root of 3. Minus 3 into cos 30. Cos square 30. So cos 30 is what? It is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is cos 30. So it's square. Into sec 60. Into sec 60, and sec 60 is what? It is 2. And so solve this, which is equal to 2 multiplied by half square, that will be 1 by 4 into root 3, minus this is 3 into root 3 square will be 3 upon 2 square will be 4 into 2. So this will be 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here also 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So which is equal to root 3 upon 2. Minus this will be 3 3s are 9. So 9 upon 2, and so this can be written as 2 will be the common denominator, and so it will be root 3 minus 9. So root 3 minus 9, and therefore the required value of 2 sine square 30 tan 60 minus 3 cos square 30 sec 60 is equal to root 3 minus 9 by 2. Now move to the second question. In an arithmetic progression, if d is equal to minus 4, d is equal to minus 4, and n is equal to 7, and an is also given that an is equal to 4, and we have to find a. Very simple question. Here we know that an is equal to an, that is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is 7, correct? So a7, and that a7, n is given as 7, and an is what? 4. So a7 is 4, so that is replaced by 4. A is not given, so a we have to find. So n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1 into d, and that common difference is given as minus 4. So which is equal to 4. A, here 7 minus 1 will be 6, and 6 into 4 minus 6 4 are 24. Take 24 to other side, so it will be plus 24. So 24 plus 4, that will be 28, and so a is equal to 28. Highlight this. So the first term of this arithmetic progression is 28. Now move to the next question. Find the probability of getting a doublet in a throw of a pair of dice. Doublet means when we throw a pair of dice, it means 2 dice when we throw, then both numbers will turn up 6 or 6 or 3 or 3, means the same numbers will turn up. When we throw 2 dice, the same number will turn up, then we call it as a doublet. So here, since there are 2 dice, the total number of outcome, that will be equal to 6 into 6, and that is equal to 36. And the favorable outcome, that will be equal to what? 1 1, then 2 2, because on both the die same number should turn up, then only we call it as a doublet. Then 3 and 3, then 4 and 4, then next will be 5 and 5, and next will be 6 and 6. So the favorable numbers will be 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So favorable number will be 6, and therefore the probability will be favorable outcome divided by total outcome. So it will be 6 by 36. So 6 1s are 6, 6 6s are 36, and therefore the probability will be 1 by 6. Now move to the next question. Here it is sin A plus cos B is equal to 1, and angle A is equal to 30 degrees. Angle A is equal to what? 30 degrees. and B is an acute angle, then find the value of B. So here sin A plus cos B is equal to 1. Sin A plus cos B, that is equal to 1. A is 30, so put the value of A as 30, so it will be sin 30 plus cos of B, which is equal to 1. Sin 30 is 1/2 plus cos of B, which is equal to 1. Take 1/2 to this side, so it will be 1 minus half, that will be half, and so cos of B, that is equal to half, and therefore B is equal to 60 degrees. And so you have got the value of B as 60 degree. This is why, because cos of 60 is equal to 1/2, and therefore B is equal to 60 degrees. Now here is the next question. Find for what value of K the equation 9x square plus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0 has equal roots. Now here friends, the given quadratic equation is 9x square plus 6x plus 4, that is equal to 0. And we have to find that for what value of K, do a correction here, it is 6kx. So 9x square plus 6kx plus 4 is equal to 0 has equal roots. And the condition for the equal root is that D should be equal to 0. If D is greater than 0, then it will have distinct solution, means the different solution. If D is equal to 0, then the equation will have equal roots, and if D is less than 0, then the equation will not have a solution. It will have no solution. So D is what? It is B square minus 4AC, which is equal to 0. So D is what? B square. B is what? Here it is 6k. It is a coefficient of x. Ax square plus bx plus c. So B is what? 6k. So it will be 6k bracket square minus 4 into A. A is what? It is 9. A is what? It is 9 multiplied by what is C? AC. AC is plus 4. So AC is plus 4, so it will be 4. So 6k square, that is 36k square. 6k bracket square, that is 36k square, which is equal to this product will be 144, and if you take 144 to the other side, it will be plus 144. Now taking square root of both the sides, you will get 6k, which is equal to plus minus 12. Remember here, this is the accident prone area, because the maximum time the accident takes place here, we simply take the square root of 144 as plus 12. But remember, whenever you are dealing with the quadratic equations, take always both the signs, plus 12 as well as minus 12, because the square root of 144 will be plus 14 as well as minus 14, because the square of plus 14 is 144 and square of minus 14 is also 144. So its square root will be plus minus 12, and therefore it will be plus minus 12, and so 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, so k is equal to plus minus 12, 2. So here for the value of k, that should be plus minus 2, then the given quadratic equation will have equal roots. Cards numbered 7 to 40 were put in box. Poonam selects one card at random. What is the probability that Poonam selects a card which is a multiple of 7? Friends, there are the cards numbered from 7 to 40, 7, 8, 9 and so on up to 40. And Poonam selects one card at random, and it is asked that what is the probability that she selects a card which is a multiple of 7. Friends, here the total number of outcomes will be 7 to 8, 40, means 40 minus 6 we will do, and so that the total number of cards will be 34. So there are total 34 cards, and out of these 34 cards, one card she picks up or selects, and we have to find the probability that it will be a multiple of 7. And so the favorable outcome will be all the numbers which are multiple of 7. So multiple of 7 will be 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 35, and 7 6s are 42. 42 will not be in this series, and therefore 7, 14, 21, 28 and 15, this will be the sample space, and so all these will be the favorable to us. So total favorable outcome will be 5, and therefore the probability of getting multiple of 7, that is equal to favorable outcome, that is 5, upon total outcome, that is 34, and so the required probability is 5 by 34. In the figure, AC is 3 cm, BC is 6 cm, CD is 4 cm. Write the value of tan B and cot A. Now friends, here is the diagram, that in the figure AC, this is what it is, 3 cm. BC is given as 6 cm, and CD, that is given as 4 cm, and these angles are given as 90 degrees. And we have to find tan B. This is the angle B. So tan B will be what? It will be opposite side upon adjacent side. So tan of B, that is equal to opposite side, that is 4, upon adjacent side is 6, and so tan B, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, so it will be 2 by 3. Then in this triangle we have to find what? Cot A. This is angle A, and we have to find cot A. So cot of A, that is equal to adjacent upon opposite. So adjacent will be 3, upon opposite is what? 4, and so cot A, that will be equal to 3 by 4, and tan B, that is equal to 2 by 3. Now see the next question. In a pack of 52 playing cards, what is the probability of a face card appearing if you pick a card? There are total 52 playing cards, so the total number of outcome will be equal to what? 52, because whenever you pick up a card, you will pick up that card out of the 52 cards, means so there will be the 52 total number of outcomes. So total outcomes, that will be equal to 52. And what are favorable? Only face cards are favorable. So the favorable outcome, that will be equal to, how many face cards are there? There are in all 12 face cards. Which one? The king, the queen and jack. The king, queen and jack of all the 4 stacks, that is spade, then club, then diamond, and then heart. So 1 1 1, club has 3 face cards, diamond has 3 face cards, and heart has 3 face cards. S is not a face card, remember. So this will be in all total 12 face cards. So the favorable outcome will be 12, and therefore the probability of getting a face card, that will be equal to favorable outcome, that is 12, upon total outcome, that is 52, and therefore 12 upon 52, that is equal to 3 by 13. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so it will be 3 by 13. So friends, Today we will stop here. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.